জ্ঞাপন কৰিছোঁ আমাৰ স্কুল ৰংদৈ হাইস্কুল ক্লাছ 9 ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল আমি কেইটামান শব্দ শিকিম প্ৰথম পিয়ানিজে ক'বা দেই something which cannot be seen invisible আমাৰ সঞ্চিতে ক'বা something which cannot be heard inaudible কৃষ্টিপে ক'বা something which cannot be touched impalpable good দেৱাইছে ক'বা something which cannot be eaten uneatable very good প্ৰণতিয়ে ক'বা something which cannot be explained inexplicable good pikie koba somebody who cannot be defeated invincible very good tumi koba rekomani koba something which cannot be refuted irrefutable good rekomani koba something which cannot be repaired irreparable very good kakuliye koba de something which cannot be reversed irreversible aru efale tumi koba something which cannot be cured incurable very good incurable very good thank you ami hekilo ene heki thakiba thank you for cooperating thank you